Bimini is a couple small islands and a few smaller keys. We took Celebrity Summit on this trip to get here, so let's take a tour through North Bimini Island. I'm JD, and along with my wife Chris, we are the Casual Cruisers. On this channel, we'll bring you ship tours, port tours, and information on excursions and other activities. We hope you find our channel enjoyable and informative. If you do, please click the like button and consider subscribing. Now, let's cast off on the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers. Here's a view of Bimini's two islands, the North Island and the South Island. South Island is where the famous Shark Lab is that is frequented and supported by several colleges. Here is the cruise pier, the public beach where you can sit on the sand or rent umbrellas and chairs, the dock if you take the high-speed ferry from Florida, and the Fisherman Village shopping area. This shows the cruise pier, Resort World Casino area, and Radio Beach, with a couple of other places shown on the map as well. Finally, this map shows what is north of the Bimini Beach Club. We didn't go past the beach club this trip. Maybe on a future trip we'll go farther up the island. Here is the walk from the ship down the pier to the tram pickup spot. I sped it up so you can see the 300-yard walk, but in a shorter time. At the end, there is an area where excursions are picked up and the free tram also picks up. There are also a couple of booths with information pamphlets. When leaving the ship, make sure you have your ship card and your picture ID for when you return. This is the tram leaving the pier area and going past the public beach, which you can see clearly on the right. This is the Resort World Casino Hotel area. It is walkable from the pier, but it will take about 20 minutes. This is a casino, resort, hotel, and beach location. And this is where you can get a day pass to the beach club or to use their pools. As you can see, Bimini follows left-hand side of the road driving, being a former British Crown colony and a portion of the Bahamas until their independence in 1973. These bungalows can be rented for a more private vacation while still being close to the Resort World property. This road off to the right goes to an area used for commercial purposes, not resort areas. This is the entrance to the Resort World Bimini Beach Club and the Virgin Beach Club Bimini, both of which offer day passes. This is the ride back from the beach club past the casino and resort area to the parking lot near Fisherman's Village where you can rent golf carts. These are higher end rentals across from Resort World property, and there is a sign that says no HOA card, no entry. Please give us a like and consider subscribing to help our channel grow and reach a wider cruising audience. As we pull into the rental lot where the golf carts are rented, don't make the mistake we made. We didn't tell our credit card companies we were traveling, so the cards declined and the vendors really wanted cash. They will take Zelle, Cash App, or Venmo. We prefer using our credit cards for safety and peace of mind. This is the first time being declined while traveling, a lesson for us that we've learned for you. The quoted cost was $80 for a half day, or if you go earlier, it'll be more for the full day. This is Fisherman's Village. The pier for the high-speed ferry from Florida is in this marina. This is the shopping village near the port and is only about 200 yards from the tram pickup, or just across the street from the public beach. They have typical souvenir items in the shops and a bar along with food at Healing Hole, a pizzeria, and a gelateria. This shop has the Bahama Mama Rum Cake Factory. There are a wide variety of flavors, including traditional rum cake, birthday cake, red velvet, chocolate, cookies and cream, pina colada, and amaretto. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful or informative, please click the like button and consider subscribing. And as always, bon voyage until the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers.